Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little scary. I mean, it's easy to see, especially if you just pay attention to Bitcoin. It was able to recapture 112,000. FOMO, anticipation was making a return into the market, but then there was an extreme outflow in the last couple of hours, which has forced the Bitcoin price below 110,000. What does this mean for altcoins? Well, there is going to be a little bit of panic selling that will scoop up the market, considering the fact that 112,000 was a key support level for Bitcoin. Now at this point, is this the perfect time to buy into these large altcoins, or is this the perfect time to buy into your favorite coin which can make you insane amount of money? Well, let me show you one token that I have been paying attention to. It's called Liberlaunch. Now this token is very simple. What is the thing that does extremely well when it comes to the entire crypto market? Meme coins. What does even better than meme coins? And that we all know is Pump Fund, which was obviously a launch pad. Now this token is something similar. Liberlaunch Labs is a next generation launch pad for meme coins, so very similar to Pump Fund, and that gives you an idea because how much has happened in the last few years when it comes to launch pads, and also how well the launch pads have done, and considering the fact that they want to build on DeFi infrastructure to create the safest market and wipe out the rug pulls for good. Keep in mind, one of the biggest problems with meme coin launches is rug pull. Whenever these investors and these people who make a coin, but then when everyone invests in it, they just decide to pull the rug. Well, this is going to be the best way to be able to combat that. And how is that? Well, they are going to be having a risk management. Now this risk management is a very good feature, which is ScanRug AI. If you have a token, let's say that you want to check to ensure that it is safe, you simply put in the address and then it will give you everything you need to know about it. The team members, are they anonymous? At the same time, what is the news relating to this token? Is there anything that you should know which is suspicious? Be cautious, and when was it released, the news, and also what is this similar to? So you understand. The idea is very simple. They want to make a launch pad which is going to be the best launch pad for meme coins, and at the same time ensure that people are going to be safe when they are going to be releasing, and at the same time the people investing are also going to be secured. Now currently they are in a pre-sale stage. They've already gone through their everything relating to the token, and you can see that there is no problem. The audit is completely clean, and this gives you a little bit of surety to ensure that you can invest in this token. Now the pre-sale has already raised over $1 million in under like a month, and if you do decide to purchase in it, you can actually make a good return. Now backed by a fully KYC verified community of over 85,000 members. Trump's mission: purge trash coin, eliminate scam, and turn memes into real valuable digital asset. Now Trump is a big believer in meme coins. I mean, Trump coin, just being his name, was able to explode, and knowing World Liberty Finance Limited, Trump backed, very active in crypto, partners with Gate, Bitgate, KU Coin, Mexi. The key angle is where World Liberty Finance Limited list Liberty Coin or Liberty Launch Lab is gonna follow. Guaranteed sex exposure, and Liberty isn't just a meme coin, it's a launch pad backed by Trump and World Liberty Finance Limited. So you get the exposure, and together this becomes something big. And knowing that the current price is 0.0002, the expected listed price is 0.4, gives you a 200 access or 200x for the early holders of stage 1. So you can see that there is a very large connection with everything happening, and considering the fact that they're going to have a DAO voting, so everything that happens the community will have to approve. Staking, you will be able to stake away your tokens so you can ensure to receive interest. Universal KYC security layer, that's just to ensure that everyone who goes into the participants and verified people are only ones which are actually releasing the coin, so it's a lot more secure to say the least. And liquidity, ensure that the project's liquidity is automatically locked for a fixed period to ensure that the money is safe. Now, from here on, this is their tokenomics with 40% to the project developer, 20% to staking, 15% to airdrop, 10% to exchange liquidity, 10% to marketing, and 5% to the team. Once the launch is completed, they have a lot more things happening with the DAO voting going on, with transparency dashboard, multi-chain pre-sale, and at the same time, AI meme pre-sale. Now, Twitter has about 3,000 followers, so you can see you're very early into it, but they are getting a lot of attention with 15,000 views, and the Telegram has about 1,200 members. Now, if you do want to purchase it, it's very simple. You just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You just connect your wallet, whatever you use. From there, just select how much Ethereum you would like to convert into the token, and you guys will be given the coin. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. I think this token looks pretty good, but make sure you guys do your own research. And at the same time, it's very, very important. It's your money, so make sure you guys make your own decision. This is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Other than that, have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon.